Good afternoon, all. Let us discuss some word problems today related to money. Okay? So please take your notebook and take a fresh page. Take a notebook, take a fresh page. Let us do some word problems. After that, if we have time, we will take the workbook. Otherwise, we will continue the next class. Okay? So let me share the screen.
Yes.
Okay. So please write. WORD word PROBLEMS word problems.
Right.
WORD word.
Ma'am, right.
Yes, please write. Hima, Rukma, please write. WORD word.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, my dear.
Ma'am, fresh page.
I can take a fresh page. PROBLEMS
WORD.
word problem.
WORD. Word. PRO.
Word problems. And we have the first one, A.
A.
Word problems, A.
A.
Let us start. A
Ma'am, right.
S H
Ma'am, right.
O K. A. Please write. ASHOK. Ashok. It's the name of a boy.
A.
ASHOK.
S.
Ashok.
ASHOK. Ashok. Ma'am, finish.
HAS has.
You finish, ma'am.
Ashok has. HAS.
B.
Ashok has.
B. E. M. S. No. Ma'am, finish.
It's okay. Ashok has
Ma'am,
three
Abhinav.
knots. Three knots.
A.
TES knots. Ashok has three
A.
knots.
S. O. K. Has. H. Has. Three.
Ashok has
Note.
three knots
O. T.
of
E. S. Notes.
ASHOK. Ashok HAS has three knots. He is having notes and coins. He has three knots of rupees 10. Ashok has three knots of rupees 10.
Of rupees.
Ashok has three knots of rupees 10. And not only knots, he has some coins also. Ashok has three knots of rupees 10 and two coins. Two coins of
Two.
two coins of rupees 10. So he is having coins and notes. There are three notes of rupees 10 and there are two coins of rupees 10. Ashok has 3 notes of rupees 10 and 2 coins of rupees 10.
Finish.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, no, 3 notes of 10. 30.
3 notes of rupees 10
Two,
and 2 coins.
2 coins of 10. 20.
How? H-O-W. How?
30 and 20.
H-O.
30 and then you say
How? M-U-C-H. How much? M-U-C-H. How much? How much? M-O-N-E-Y. Money. How much money? How much money?
in whole app.
How much money does how much money does
25.
wait, let us write. Let us find answer after completing the question. Ashok has 3 notes of rupees 10 and 2 coins of rupees 10. How much money does he have?
15.
He have how much money does he have?
15.
Yes, 50. Correct answer.
15.
Read the question. Ashok has 3 notes of rupees 10 and 2 coins of rupees 10. How much money does he have in all? In all. Are you reading the word in all? It's related to what?
15.
In all. It's related to
I'm finished.
in all. It's related to what?
Addition.
Addition. Very good. Very good. So for finding the total amount of money, we have to add the money. Okay. And listen, once again, we can read the question. Ashok has 3 notes of 10 rupees.
10,
3 notes of 10 rupees.
30. 50.
3 notes means it is 30 rupees. Just 1 minute, we may draw that knots. It will be more clear to you all. Okay. So there are 3 knots now. So let us draw 3 rupees 10. Then another rupees 10. Then another rupees 10. Okay. Again, he has 2 coins of rupees 10. 2 coins of rupees 10. 2 coins of rupees 10.
20.
Now let us add. Now let us add. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. What will come? 10 plus 10 plus 10. It's very easy, no? 10 plus 10, 20. And 20 plus 10,
20 plus
20
10.
plus 10.
20.
You can say 3 10 together will make 30. So here we can write rupees 30 plus 2 coins of rupees 10. So how much 2 coins of rupees 10? 2 coins of rupees 10 make how much?
50.
2 coins will
50.
20 rupees.
50.
Okay. 2 coins will make 20 rupees. So all together
50.
rupees 30 plus rupees
50.
yes, my dear. It is
50.
30 plus 20. So at ones place we have 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 means 0. At
Zero.
ones place 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2.
5.
5. So what is the total amount? What is the total amount? Rupees 50. Rupees 50. Okay, very good. Rupees 50. Rupees 50. Rupees 50. 3 notes of rupees 10, 2 coins of rupees 10. So all together or in all, rupees 30 plus rupees 20 is equal to rupees 50.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good. Now we can write question.
Ma'am, abhi now
Others
finish.
are ready. Let them complete. After that, we can write.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay,
Ma'am,
well, we'll
finish.
wait for a few seconds. Let them complete after that.
Finish.
And next we have question B. Question B. Mohan. Mohan. Another boy. Mohan. 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 Mohan has.
Ma'am, please stop.
Mohan
Ma'am, please
has.
continue. Ma'am, please continue. Ma'am, continue. Please write.
Rukman, did you complete?
Yes.
Okay, please write question number B.
Ma'am, Rukma completed.
Okay, write question B. Mohan has 2 coins. Mohan has 2 coins of.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, my dear.
this much. Ma'am, this much only.
Which one?
This much only.
No.
This
We
much
have
only.
3 questions. Mohan has 2 coins of rupees 2. Mohan has 2 coins of rupees 2. Mohan has.
Ma'am, right?
Yes. 2 coins of rupees 2 and 4 notes of rupees.
Ma'am, please.
Tell me.
Ma'am, please stop.
Mohan
Yes, ma'am.
has 2 coins of rupees 2 and 4 notes of rupees 10. Mohan has 2 coins of rupees 2 and 4 notes of rupees 10. HOW. How?
Ma'am, 44 is answer.
Ma'am,
54. Ma'am, 44.
is it a 54?
44.
Ah, 44. Very good.
Ma'am, no completed.
Okay, right. How much? How much?
Notice Yes. No.
M-U-C-H. How much?
Ma'am, please stop.
How much?
Stop.
M-O-N-E-Y. How much money?
Ma'am, continue.
How much money?
U-C-H much. M-U-C-H much. M-O-N-E-Y many.
Does
N-E-Y many. Ma'am, finish.
how much money does he how much money does he have in all? Mohan has 2 coins of rupees 2 and 4 notes of rupees 10. How
Ma'am,
much
please
money
stop.
does he have in all?
Ma'am, continue.
So how much money?
Ma'am, answer is. Ma'am,
Answer is-
answer 44.
44. Let us write.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, my dear.
please mute all. Every student mute disturbance.
Amen, tell me louder.
Yes. Sound is disturbing. Yes. Everyone.
See, your voice is breaking. I can't understand. You want to see the first question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't write.
You want to see the first question? Question number A?
No, ma'am.
Then what?
Students, my disturbing.
What's the meaning? What's the meaning of the question?
Ma'am, mute all.
Mohan has 2 coins of rupees 2 and 4 notes of rupees 10. So he is having coins and notes. 2 coins of rupees 2. So let us write answer now. 2 coins of rupees 2. So let's draw the coins. 2 coins are there, no? So let us draw 2 coins of rupees 2. Then 4 notes of rupees 10. Now let us draw the notes. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. Now let us add first of all the coins. 2 plus 2. What is the answer, Amen? 2 plus 2. Very good. 4. 2 plus equal to 4. So when we add the coins, we get the answer rupees 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now let us add the notes. 10 plus 10. It's very easy, no? 10 plus 10. What is the answer?
20.
20. 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10.
20 plus 10, 30.
Very good. 30 plus 10.
40.
40. Or we can say 4 tens
40.
are there, no? 4 tens make 40. 4 tens will
44.
make 40. So
44
4
answer.
plus 40. Now let us add 40 and 4. 40 is a 2-digit number. Okay. 4 is a 1-digit number. So let us write 4 in ones place. Now let us add. Here nothing. So let us
Ma'am, question B.
this place we have 0 plus 4. What is the answer? 0 plus 4?
0.
4.
4.
10 is 4 plus 0. The same thing. 4 plus 0. What is the answer? 4 plus 0?
4.
4 itself. So what's the total amount?
4.
What's the total amount?
44.
Ah,
44.
4. This is the total amount. Rupees 44. Rupees 44. First of all, add the coins. So we will get the answer rupees 4. Then add the knots. There are 4 knots of rupees 10. So it is
Ma'am,
rupees.
finish.
So the total money is rupees 44.
Ma'am, this much only.
No, one more question. After that, if we have time, we will take the workbook. Otherwise, we will start in the next class. Now we have question 3.
Okay. Ma'am, now finish.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, continue. Continue.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Ma'am, continue.
Ah, yes, I will continue now. Just 1 minute.
Ma'am, here complete.
Y
Let's
A
continue.
Payal of a boy. Payal wants Payal. P-A-Y.
Ma'am, continue.
It's question C. Another one.
Money.
Last question. P-A-Y-A-L. Payal. W-A-N-T-S. Wants. Payal wants. Payal wants. T-O. Payal wants to buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Payal wants to buy. Payal wants to buy. B-U-Y. Buy. A. Payal wants to buy a
Now finish.
notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Payal wants to buy a notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Payal wants to buy a notebook. F-O-R. 4. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil for F-O-R 4 rupees 4.
Ma'am,
Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and pencil for rupees 4. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil
Ma'am,
for
answer
rupees
is
4.
9.
Eh?
Ma'am, answer is 9.
Answer is
9.
9. From where you got 9? I didn't complete the question. And but from where you got 9? Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and pencil for rupees 4. Let me complete the question. How much HOW? How MUCH? How much?
Ma'am, 15.
What 15, my dear? Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil for rupees 4. How much? How much money?
14.
14. How much money? How much
Das.
should SHOULD?
Ma'am, 14 answer.
Yes, Ishan, you're correct. How much money should how much money should 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 she have? Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil for rupees 4. How much money should she have? How much money is needed for?
Ma'am,
How much money is needed
14.
for? Yes. So we have to
14.
add the rupees and we have to find the total money. That much money is needed for both. Payal wants to buy a notebook for rupees 10 and a pencil for rupees 4. How much money should she have? So rupees 10 plus rupees 4.
Ma'am, answer is 40.
Very good. 10 plus 4. 10 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
13, 14.
Very good. So
14
rupees 10
answer.
plus rupees 4 is equal to rupees. Total money is rupees 14. 1, 4, 14. So rupees 14 needed for her to buy notebook and pencil. Rupees 10 plus rupees 4 is equal to rupees 14. The cost of notebook is rupees 10. The pencil is rupees 4. So we have to find out the total money to buy the things. So rupees 10 plus rupees 4 is equal to 10 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So rupees 14 is needed. Okay. Now we have only 2 more minutes. We cannot start the workbook today. So we will start in the next class. Okay. So be ready with your workbook. We'll start in the next class.
Now
And
finish.
same notes I will send in the group also. So those who didn't complete, those who joined late, please copy from there. What about the chapter money? Is it clear to you all?
Yes.
The what all things we discussed the same we can see in the workbook also, so we can revise again. Okay, we can revise again. It's a revision for you so that we can start in the next class. And so by this we completed the
Finish.
for the test.
Finish.
So let me stop sharing.
Yes. Yes.
So just I will ask some questions from the workbook. Okay, the early coins were made of dash. Can you tell me the answer?
Bronze and silver.
Very good.
Bronze and silver.
Okay, very good. Now 100 paise is equal to dash rupee. How many rupee?
1 rupee.
Very good. The money used in a country is called its dash.
Rupee.
Money used in a country is called its currency. Very good. Currency. The notes and coins used to buy things. The notes and coins together we can call it as money. Notes and coins to buy things is called money. Okay. So same we are repeating in the work. Okay. So we will start in the next class. So please be ready with that. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.